A company can have an amazing product, a great team, and a huge budget, and still fail. Why? Because knowing what to do is not enough. You have to manage it. Today, we're talking about value chain management, the skill that separates businesses that survive from businesses that truly win. Before we get into today's topic, if you haven't seen our previous video on value chain analysis, go watch that first. The link is right here on screen. It covers what a value chain is, how to break it down, and how to find your competitive advantage. Today's video builds directly on that. So if you're new, catch up first. It's worth it. Now, let's talk about value chain management. Analyzing your value chain tells you what's happening. Managing it means you actually do something about it every single day. Think of it like this. Analysis is the map. Management is the journey. So, what is value chain management? Value chain management, or VCM, is the process of actively coordinating, improving, and optimizing every activity in your value chain, from raw materials all the way to the final customer. It's not a one-time practice, it's an ongoing process. And it has three big goals: reduce costs, improve quality, and deliver more value to the customer, faster and more reliable than your competitors. The key pillars of value chain management. Pillar 1, supplier management. Everything starts before your product is even made. Who are your suppliers? Are they reliable? Are they giving you the best quality at the right price? Great businesses don't just pick a supplier and forget about them. What happens if your main supplier suddenly can't deliver? If you have no backup, your whole business stops. But if you've managed your supply chain properly, you already have another supplier ready to step in. Problem solved before it even becomes a crisis. Pillar 2, operations management. This is about running your internal processes as efficiently as possible, reducing waste, cutting delays, improving quality at every step. Toyota is the perfect example here. Toyota's entire production system, which they call lean manufacturing, is built around eliminating waste at every single step of their operations. The result? Consistently high quality at lower cost. That's not magic, that's managed operations. Pillar 3, technology integration. In today's world, you cannot manage a value chain manually. You need technology. Companies use systems like ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, to track inventory, manage orders, and connect every department in real time. They use data analytics to spot problems before they become disasters. They use automation to speed up repetitive tasks. The businesses that use technology well inside their value chain move faster and make smarter decisions than those that don't. Pillar 4, customer focus. Here's the one most businesses forget. All of this, every process, every supplier relationship, every technology system, exists for one reason: to deliver value to the customer. Value chain management must always end with the question: did the customer get more value today than yesterday? If the answer is yes, you're moving in the right direction. Real-world example: Zara. Let's look at Zara, the fashion brand. Fashion is a fast industry. Trends change in weeks. Most clothing brands take months to go from design to shelf. Zara does it in 2 to 3 weeks. How? Because they manage their entire value chain with incredible precision. Their designers, factories, logistics teams, and store managers are all connected. Data from stores flows back to designers instantly. New designs go straight to production. Products land on shelves while the trend is still alive. That's not just a good product. That's brilliant value chain management. Value chain analysis tells you where the opportunities are. Value chain management is how you actually grab them. The best companies in the world, Toyota, Zara, Apple, Amazon, aren't just smart about what they do. They are disciplined about how they manage every single step, every single day. And the good news? You don't have to be a billion-dollar company to apply these principles. Even a small business can manage its suppliers better, cut waste in its operations, use simple technology tools, and stay obsessively focused on the customer. Start there, and the results will follow. And that's value chain management, broken down simply with real examples you can actually use. If you want to read it in detail or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people like you. And if you haven't already, go watch our value chain analysis video. The link is on screen right now. It's the perfect companion to everything we covered today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I'll see you in the next one.